Hello, my name is Iris, aka I call myself Buds. I'm gonna show you how you make very simply your own thumbnails, because it's actually quite easy. You just need to know the good websites for it. You see an example. I made this one for a personal art check video. So the first step that you do is you take a picture of yourself. I just did that. I took a picture for myself and I want to remove the background of that picture. So I have this website, remove.bg upload. I get my picture um, and I just swipe it to this page. So I'm just dropping it down. This is the picture I took. You can see it just removed all the background. And I'm just downloading it because I want to use this one for my thumbnail. I want to make sure that my face is on every thumbnail, so it's very recognizable that it's my videos. So I just normally download it because the HD one would cost me money, and we just want to do it for free. It does have a balloon in the background, but we will survive that. So the second step I do, I have this website. It's called a Snappa, and I do 90/20 here and 1080 here. In case you don't have an account, you can just make it for free. You can only have a maximum amount of a certain downloads a month, but it isn't too bad because you can literally just print screen your screen, and that will also solve it. You go to graphics because you just want to do this basically with photos that you take. So, I mean uploads. So as you've seen, I have already a couple in here. First, you want to make a background. What I have done, I have been to my Twitch account where I opened all my videos, and I just literally make a screenshot just of my videos. That's all I did. The picture you can see in here, I made that one yesterday. I dropped it in here. I just want to make it a little bit edgy because this is going to be my background, and I just maximize it until it can cover fully in my screen. Now I don't want it to be, like this, because this is a bit too much. So I set the opacity, I set that one down. And I want to make it pretty. So I'm going to go to background because white isn't really going to do it. And then I go to patterns and I just pick a pattern that I think that's suited. It just literally goes as an overlay over it. I normally just go for a simple color, nothing much, nothing more. This time we're just gonna go for this one. I like it. Well, the next thing that I do is I go back to my graphics, to my uploads, and I'm gonna upload the image of myself, and that's this one, because this is the one I just removed my background. I put myself on it, and I click, because it's uploaded, and there I am. And I'm just gonna make it a little bit bigger, and I put it I always like to just put it in the right corner. I don't like the balloon, so I'm just gonna crop it like this. That is step one. If you like to, you can add more pictures of whatever you're doing. Like this is my personal object video. I could have chosen also to have some pictures of personal object on it, but I just don't. I like to keep it simple. I like to keep myself on it and then maybe some text. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna do is gonna go back to graphics again because I stream mostly on Twitch, so I like to put my logo in the bottom so I can use this thumbnail for my Twitch and for my YouTube account. And it's fine the way it is like this. I got my text, add a header. I'm typing in my title, Personal Archie text, and I like to go for Oswald. Where is Oswald? And I'll make my title also fat letters in cursive, and I will make it as big as I can in the color white because I will be adding a background soon. I've noticed if you have in the white letters, do not take a background that it's too light on it, because you simply can't read the words properly. Then I had a subheading. In my subheading, I do the same thing. I make it white. I don't make it thick letters. I do choose for Oswald again. Oh, does it go or not? There we go. And I write something down that was typical for the video that I made. And in this case, it was like, I think 25 escapes. Great Warden. And also I like to make this one as big as I can, because you have to keep in mind these pictures are very small. Can be 2 lines, but I want to keep the top one better. And then I add a next one, and that is going to be a bit smaller one, also in the color white, with Oswald. And here I just write part 4, because this is a part 4 of a series that I have been playing. You can choose to play around a little bit with the way the text is standing there. I'm just gonna put this one here. I'm also gonna be adding my Twitch one. So copy paste back to Snapper. Don't forget to put this on Whiteford, put it on Oswald. You can choose any you like actually. This is just my preferred one. And there we go, there is my Twitch, just without the videos. And I would like to have it slightly bigger. Or maybe we can put this one a little bit smaller. But just keep in mind that people can't always read this. This one is not going to get a background. So now I'm going to be adding shapes behind my text so it pops out a bit more. I first just go over it and then I make sure it goes to the back. Just move layer back. And you can play around with a bit if the placement isn't right. And then you can choose a color. I prefer to go for dark colors because then you can read the letters better than when you choose to do a light one. If you do this, it's very hard to read from a distance because, you know, white and yellow doesn't work that way. I'm just gonna go for black. Just nice and simple. I do the exact same thing. Oh, not a square, that's the wrong one. I do the exact same thing for the other ones, just not for my Twitch one. And I try to make it, yeah, that seems about right. And I go a little bit down so it goes over it completely. Oh, this is not gonna work, so we're gonna put this down a little bit. Put it to the back. Let's see, if you see it is not properly lined up. Yeah, that looks better. And I would like to give this one a different color. I think the purple works great, the red doesn't work with the background. And I'm gonna give the part 4 the same color as the head. So I will just add another one here. And we'll put that to the back. Let's see. Oh, that's pretty as well. And that is basically it. And the next thing I do is I save it because I have my account here. So I go Prison Architect Part 4. Save. Let's see if I still have some downloads left on this one. Web optimize. See. And if you don't have any downloads off, what I just do is I literally press F11. I have this program called Knip. Probably it's called Cut for the other ones. I make it as big as I can. And then I just go to my cut again. And I just cut it out. I mean, basically does the same job. And I am gonna save it. Prison Arch Part 4. that's it. And that's how you make yourself a thumbnail. I hope it's useful. I'm gonna put the links down below. And I wish you the best of luck. Hey, thank you very much for watching and good luck.